Triumph is set to make waves in 2025 with the redesigned Speed Twin 900, a model that builds on the success of its predecessor while offering a fresh, modern aesthetic and enhanced performance features. The transformation includes a sleeker fuel tank, a more streamlined rear frame and seat, and a new aluminum swing arm, all contributing to a striking new profile. The front end features a redesigned headlight, while new side covers and throttle body shrouds add to the bike's aggressive look. Powering the Speed Twin 900 is the familiar 900cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering a robust 64 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 59 pound-feet of torque at just 3,800 RPM. The bike retains its weight at 476 pounds, ensuring that performance remains consistent with the previous model, but the updated chassis promises improved handling and ride quality. One of the most significant upgrades is the new suspension system. The traditional fork has been replaced with a 43mm Marzocchi upside-down fork, complemented by piggyback reservoir shock units from Marzocchi. Although adjustability is limited to rear preload, the combination of the stiffer alloy swing arm and revised suspension geometry should enhance ride dynamics. The Speed Twin 900 maintains a relaxed rake angle of 24.9 degrees, paired with an 18-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel. The seat height is at 780 millimeters. Braking performance is also upgraded, featuring a single, radial-mounted 4-piston caliper that replaces the previous axial mount setup. The addition of cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control enhances safety and confidence on the road. Riders can choose between two riding modes, road and rain, to tailor their experience. The new instrument cluster boasts an LCD main display paired with a smaller color TFT unit, all housed within a single circular pod. A USB-C socket on the side offers convenient connectivity options. Riders can opt for extras like heated grips and a Bluetooth connectivity module for smartphone integration, while cruise control is now available as an accessory. With over 120 customization options, the Speed Twin 900 is designed for personalization. Expected to hit dealerships in February 2025, the Speed Twin 900 will start at an attractive price of $9,995, making it a compelling choice for riders seeking a blend of classic style and modern performance.